Imagine creating a video like this.
Daisy the cow longed for adventure beyond her farm's fence. One evening, spotting the gate ajar, she seized her chance.
You may think the video is created with several tools and takes a huge amount of time. Then you are wrong. I used only one tool to create the full video, and today, I will share the step-by-step method of creating the video. So, without further ado, let's dive in. To create the video, today I will use Wondershare Filmora. You may wonder how you can make such a video with only a video editor. Now it's possible because Filmora is not just a video editor. It's more than a video editor and is powerful with several AI features. You can create images from text prompts and turn any images into videos, generate AI music, sound effects, and much more that make content creation easier than ever. Let's see how you can access and create the video with Filmora. Let's start. If you don't have Filmora on your system, just download and install it on your device. I will put the link in the description. Alright, let's start creating the video. I created a video script with ChatGPT. After that, I created the storyboard and image prompts to generate the images for the script. To learn more about these steps, you can watch this video from the end screen. Okay, we've got the image generation prompt. Now let's move forward to video creation. This is the Wondershare Filmora interface. Here you will find some AI tools and features. You can look at them. However, first of all, we have to create a new project. Alright, this is the Filmora video editing interface. Now, first of all, we have to create images. To create the images, go to the Stock Media tab from here. You will find several copyright-free media options here. Today we have to use this AI image generator tool. Okay, now we have to enter the text prompts here in this box. I am entering the very first prompt from ChatGPT. After entering the prompt, set the visual style from here. You will find a bunch of options like portrait, realistic, ACG, pixel, CGI, and many more. Just select the style you want to use. After that, go to the settings options. Here you can set the aspect ratio. Select it as per your need. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button to generate the images. It will take some time to generate the images. So, let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Our images are ready. Filmora generates 4 images for us, and you can see the quality of the images. It's awesome. Now you can download any image from here and store them in downloads. You will find all the downloaded images in the Download tab here. Now, using the same method, create images for all the scenes and prompts. After generating the images, download them to save in the Download tabs. Alright, our images are ready. Now it's time to turn them into videos using the image-to-video generator. You don't need to use any other platform because now Filmora has the image-to-video generator tool. Go to the Media tab. Here, we will find all the assets we import. On the bottom left side, you will find the image-to-video generator tool. Let's open the tool. Here you will find a vast number of templates, like AI Kiss to create AI kissing videos. After selecting the tool, click here and then upload the image you want to use as the reference image. Once the image is uploaded, your interface will look like this. Now you can adjust the aspect ratio from here. If your image has both characters, then you can keep the picture mode as a single image. But if you need to upload another character image, then turn on the multiple image feature, and after that, upload the second image. Now click on the Confirm button and then hit the Generate button to generate the video. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Our video is ready. Honestly speaking, the result is just amazing. It looks so amazing and realistic. I love it. In this way, you can create trendy AI hugging videos. Just upload 1 or 2 images and then hit the Generate button. And here is the result. You will find a vast library of trendy video templates. You can use any of them. To create your own style video, you have to use the custom preset. Today, we will use the custom mode. After selecting the tool, click here and then upload the image you want to turn into a video. But there is a catch. We can't find the AI-generated images. Now the question is, how can we find the images? To solve this issue, we have to go to the Stock Media tab again. After navigating to this tab, insert all the AI-generated images in ascending order. After adding the images, we will now use the Image to Video tool from here. Once you click on this Image to Video icon, you will be taken to this interface. Here, you will find a new option called Timeline, apart from Single Image and Stitch mode. Normally, it selects your chosen image. However, if you want to change the image, you can do so from here. Once you select the image, set the aspect ratio, and then hit the Submit button. Now you have to enter the text prompt here in this box. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. After waiting some time, we got this result, and I think this is a perfect scene for our video. Filmora's Image to Video tool did a great job. So now using this method, generate videos with all the images you have created for your video. Once done, go to My File from here, and you will find all the videos you have generated. Now we have to add them to the timeline from the My File tab. Insert the video clips in ascending order. Alright, our visuals are ready. Now we have to generate the voiceover. To generate the voiceover, click on the Audio tab here. Now select the Text-to-Speech tool, and then click on the Start button from here. Once you are on this page, enter the narration text from ChatGPT here in this box. After that, you have to select a voice actor from the library. You can even clone your own voice here. After selecting the voice actor, click on the Generate button from here. It will take some time to generate the voiceover. And here it is. The audio clip has been added to the timeline with the subtitle. Okay, now we have to adjust the video footage with the voiceover. You can delete the unnecessary part of the video clip or adjust the speed from here. Take proper time to adjust the video clip and match it with the audio. Once you are done, you can add transitions between video clips to get a smooth video. Alright, we are almost done. Just one thing is missing: the BGM. You will find a vast number of music clips here in the Audio tab, but I suggest you use the Smart BGM generator. It will analyze the video and then generate a perfect music clip for the video. So, now you don't have to worry about the copyright issue. And here it is. Our BGM is ready. Now adjust the volume to make it perfect. Once everything is set, hit the Export button. It will take some time to export the video. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Daisy the cow longed for adventure beyond her farm's fence. One evening, spotting the gate ajar, she seized her chance. She wandered through meadows of wildflowers, tasted the sweetness of freedom, and marveled at a crystal-clear stream. As she explored deeper, she stumbled upon a small village, delighting children who giggled and fed her treats. But as night fell, the world grew darker and scarier. A distant howl made her heart race. Suddenly, a familiar bark echoed. It was Max, the farmer's dog.
So, now you can create these kinds of amazing videos using only Wondershare Filmora Video Editor. So, if you want to boost your productivity and use just one platform to generate content, don't forget to try the Wondershare Filmora Video Editor. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience creating videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!